Why, do you know someone? That's so random.
I know.
I'm ruining Sabrina's video with my commentary.
It's the best kind.
No, it's not about her. Look at that form. Those arms are perfect.
Legs up, you have to go much faster, okay? Wait right there. Legs up! We're gonna practice your kicks, okay? Stay still. Here they come. Kick forward, backward, forward. Good. At the end of those kicks, you're gonna let go of the bar, bring your knees to your face and go flip, okay? Kick forward, back, forward, let go.